Hey guys, how's it going? Matt here for DetailKing.com, and today I want to tell you about the Buff & Shine Reflection Artist Pad Series. The Buff & Shine Reflection Artist Pad Series is one of the most versatile pad series on the market today. Available in both 5 and 6 inch, they'll fit any of your polishers or your buffers. They'll fit your random orbital polishers, your long throw polishers, your force rotation DAs, and even your rotary machines as well. So you can use these pads with your Porter cable, Rupes, Flex, Makita, DeWalt, or just about any machine out there. The Maroon Eurotech foam cutting pads have some pretty serious cutting power behind them, making it easy to get rid of swirls, scratches, or oxidation. Now we recommend using these pads with our Diamond Cut Deluxe or our Diamond Cut Ultra. The blue Eurotech foam pads are designed for light cutting and heavy polishing, so we recommend using them after your paint is completely corrected. However, they will remove light imperfections in the paint while doing a great job polishing. We recommend using these with our Diamond Cut Step 1 or our Buff & Bling 1 step. The Eurotech yellow polishing pads are made for standard polishing, removal of light swirls and holograms. Now, our blue diamond polish, caliber, and pure finish all work great with these pads. The Eurotech white finishing pads are made for you to be able to get that perfect ultra shine. They're made for extremely fine polishing, which can be done with our blue diamond, caliber, or pure finish, and they can also apply sealant such as our cherry wet wax and our STS 3000. Now, if you need more information on the Buff & Shine Reflection Artist pads, head on over to DetailKing.com where we have everything that you need to keep your car clean like a Detail King. We'll see you guys next time.